So now let's solve the problem in maximization using simplex method. Simplex method is another linear programming method wherein it is a systematic iterative procedure to identify the optimal solution out of feasible solutions. So this is the given, and these are the formulas that we needed in order to solve this problem. For the pivot column is the lowest negative value, while the pivot row is the lowest positive value. The new value is pivot row divided by intersection value, and the remaining values is equals to old value minus pivot column times new value. So, nilagay ko na siya sa table na to, and ang pivot column natin is ito, negative 120. At ang pivot row natin is, this one is 120 yung RH. So, ayan. To get this one, di-divide mo lang 12 divided by 6, 0.5, 12 divided by 12, 1 over 12, 0 over 12, 0, and 100 over 12, 120 over 12 is 10. After that, isa-solve mo na yung remaining values. Yung remaining values, dito muna tayo mag-start. Ito ay negative 100 minus negative 120 times 6, kaya siya negative 40. At ito naman, negative 120 minus negative 120 times 1, kaya siya naging 0. Ito, 0 minus negative 120 times 1 over 12, kaya siya 10. And ito ay 0. Ito, kaya naging 1,200 to kasi 0 minus negative 120 times 10, that is 1,200. So, dito naman sa baba, eight minus 4, ito yan 8 minus 8 times 0.5, so 4. 8 minus 8 times 1, so 0. Negative ay 0 minus 8 times 1 over 12, kaya siya naging negative 2/3. 1 minus 8 times 0 is 1. 0 minus 8 times 0 is 0, and 104 minus 8 times 10, that is 24. So, dito naman tayo. And ito, 10 minus 6 times 0.5 is 7. Ito naman, 6 minus 6 times 1 is 0. 0 minus 6 times 1 over 12 is negative 1/2. And ito naman is 0 minus 6 times 0 is 0. And 1 minus 6 times 0 is 1. And 90 minus 6 times 10 is 30. So, ito, katulad kanina, hanggat meron pang negative dito sa taas, so ulitin mo yung iteration na ginawa mo. So, ang pivot column is this one, and the pivot row is this one. So, sa pagkuha nitong part na to, sa pagkuha ng part na yan, di-divide mo yung 7 sa itong pivot row, i-divide mo sa intersection. So, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 0 divided by 7 is 0. Negative 1 half divided by 7 is negative 0.071. 0 divided by 7 is 0. 1 divided by 7 is 0.14. And 30 divided by 7 is 4.29. Next na is yung mga remaining values. Ito naman is negative 40 minus negative 40 times 1 is equals to 0. Ito ay 0 minus negative 40 times 0 is 0. Ito ay 10. Ito, 10 yan siya minus negative 40 times 0 times negative 0.071 kaya siya naging 7.14. Ito, 0 minus negative 40 times 0 is 0, kaya siya 0. And ito naman is 0 minus negative 40 times 0.14, kaya siya naging 5.71. And itong RHS dito is 1,200 minus negative 40 times 4.29 is equals to 1,371.43. And ito namang x sub 2 is 0.5 minus 0.5 times 1 is 0. Itong 1 is 1 minus 0.5 times 0 is 1. Itong 1 over 12 minus 0.5 times negative 0.071 is equals to 0.119. And ito naman, ano yan, 0 minus 0.5 times 0, kaya siya 0. And ito naman, kaya ito ganito kasi 0 minus 0.5 times 0.14 is negative 0.07. And ito, 10 minus 0.5 times 4.29 is 7.86. And ito naman is 4 minus 4 times 1 is 0. 0 minus 4 times 0 is 0. Negative 2/3 minus 4 times negative 0.071 is equals to negative 0.38. Ito naman is 1 minus 4 times 0 is 1. And ito naman is 0 minus 4 times 0.14 is negative 0.57. And ito naman is 24 minus 4 times 4.29 is 6.84. So, so, paano natin malalaman yung final answer? Magbe-base tayo dito sa x sub 1 and x sub 2 and yung x sub 1, 2. Etong, ang sinasabi dito sa table na to is yung x sub 1 daw is equals to 4.29 and yung x sub 2 is equals to 7.86. And the total profit is 1,371.43. And based dito is tama tayo sa ating graphical method. That's all. Thank you.